Since the pandemic broke, have you found it hard to stick to your schedule and your routines? Sort of feels like every day is a weekend. Get your hot beverage ready. Keep watching this episode. I'm going to share with you a productivity hack that can help you get back on track to grow your freelancing or your startup business. See you in a bit. So you're working from home, your freelancing business or your startup business is kind of puttering along instead of cruising along because our morning rituals are just completely out of whack. Maybe family members are in the house all the time, which is nice, right? Your schedule's off, so if you're feeling out of whack, I'm going to share a hack to get you back on track.
Ooh, that rhymed. I should do that more of the time. I'm a poet, and I didn't even know it.
Pick a ritual or something you know you need to be doing. Have that in mind now, okay? Got it? Good, now write that down on a piece of paper. I'll share with you what mine is so that it can help you work through yours. So for me, it was finish 2 books a week. 1 fiction, 1 non-fiction. Fell off the wagon. So then I break it down. What do I have to do every day in order to achieve that goal? My usual activity would be reading for 30 minutes in the morning and reading for 30 minutes at night. 30 minutes is still a challenge. It's still enough for our short-term focus part of our brain to say, oh no, I don't have 30 minutes. I don't have time for that. So you need to bypass that. And the way you do that, you make it super small or tiny, as BJ Fogg, the world expert in habit creation. With that, I changed it to just read 1 page in the morning from non-fiction and 1 page in the evening from fiction. So now that you've got the activity, you are ready to put it in your habit tracker. Here's what you need: journal, pen, pencil, an ancient instrument for drawing straight lines. If you don't have one of those, a business card will do, or your Oyster card, since you're not using it at the moment. And if you don't have those, find something else with a straight edge. So here's what you do next. Wherever you are in the month, just write down all the days remaining for the end of the month. On the vertical, you write down the tiny activity you need to do. So in this case, it's reading 1 page in the morning non-fiction, 1 page in the evening fiction. After I've achieved my daily tiny goal, I tick the box. Day 2, 3. Thing is, when you've achieved that tiny goal of 1 page, you're setting yourself up for success. So you feel good. I went on to read about 10 pages. But the key is, reading 1 page has to be enough. Anything beyond that is a bonus. Jerry Seinfeld, the comedian, he used this method to help him write a new joke every day. The beauty of this tracking method is that when you do a few days in a row, you just want to keep going and you don't want to break the chain. And it becomes quite a motivational tool. You can look back and see the progress you've made. If you're not making progress, it's feedback. Ask yourself, how can I make it even smaller? So it literally takes you 1 minute to start. What's also great about this tracker is you can stack habits on top of each other. So in the comment box below, tell me what area of your life has fallen out of whack that you will get back on track. And 2, I want you to write down the tiny activity you will put in your habit tracker. I would love to know because I'm nosy. I hope this helps. If this does, please share it. You never know, there are probably quite a few other people who need help getting back on track. Like it if you found it useful, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you if you have. Thanks for watching Coffee and Wisdom. I'm Annie Skizzlebash, and I will see you in another episode.
Oh, go harder.
Faster, yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
go, drop your hands first.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.